joining us on the telecast. We have YSRCP MP Kanumuru Raghuji joining us on the telecast. We spoke with him a few weeks ago. He's back with us now. Mr. Raghu, my first straightforward question is going to be now, what is the outlook, sir, to the best of your understanding? What's the thinking and approach for May the 3rd?
See, as far as our state is concerned, as you know, the number of tests that we have been doing, they are the highest in the country. That is, for every million, we have done almost 1,300 odd tests. But still, the numbers are going up. Might be because of the more number of tests. What we are doing the last 3 days, average has been almost 80 cases every day. So definitely, I personally feel that maybe another 2 weeks extension would be desirable. But at the same time, majority of the mandals, especially in our state, they were in the green zone. So while we go ahead with certain relaxations, but definitely the lockdown shall be extended.
Sir, there was some good news coming out of Vizag of the ability of a second facility in India to start manufacturing these test kits. How's that going?
Yeah, that is going on. In fact, the test kits, they were supposed to get ready there, and sometime back there was an announcement that almost every day close to 10,000 kits would be ready. But last 3-4 days, I did not hear anything much on that. But definitely, not only that, that medtech zone, lot of equipments manufacturing that has almost reached the finality. Definitely, that would be a good asset for our state as well as for the country in the coming days.
Raghuji, how is the situation in your constituency right now?
In my constituency, we have almost 23 positive cases. We are trying to curtail the spread. But definitely our district administration, they are doing their best, and we have a wonderful collector and superintendent of police team. Definitely, we don't think the number would go up that much as it is going up in the state. Definitely, we would be able to curtail. People are also listening, and basically, majority of our area is agriculture-based area. And initially, the problem has come up from some of the, as many people were talking, definitely our origin is also from Delhi. And secondary spread to some extent it is there. But I'm sure we will be able to certainly curtail it, and we don't expect more than 10-15 cases in the coming 10 days.
Fingers crossed. Ideally, of course, we're all hoping for this will eventually come down to zero. In Narsapuram, sir, is agricultural activity, is it going on now? Is that problem sorted out to the best?
Yeah, definitely. Other than, we have a few red spots where there were heavy restrictions. Otherwise, for agriculture, and predominantly my parliament is mostly aquaculture industry. And there, in the initial days, there was some panic among the farmers, but our timely action of our district in charge minister as well as the Honorable CM, we are able to tell them clearly that the markets are going to go up and let there not be any panic selling. And now the markets have stabilized, and people were harvesting, and the entire aquaculture operations, right from the hatchery, feed, everything going on in a smooth manner, as if there is no corona as far as the aqua is concerned. And agriculture harvesting operations are also going on with the utmost precautions.
Okay.
And surprisingly, the number of cases, whatever cases we have got, none of the aquaculture or agriculture farmers have been affected.
Sir, particularly for people who run small businesses who are most affected right now.
No doubt they are affected.
Some of them some are facing ruin, sir. What help do we do?
Yes, that is the issue where the government at large has to address. No doubt, while we will have to give utmost priority for the economy, but when there is no life, what is the use of economy is another thought. But as you rightly said, we will have to certainly address the woes of the poor people who have to survive only on the daily wages. Their woes have to be addressed, and that is what even Government of India and even our state, we are addressing. But still, the number of people who have to handle that are less compared to the needy people. But nevertheless, definitely our state, we are trying to do our best thanks to the village volunteer system what our CM has started a few months back. That has come very handy in these turbulent days.
Okay, Mr. Raghu, going ahead now, all of us need to get together because
Yes.
once we get through this crisis, and we will get through this crisis, that all these companies that need to shift from China or want to shift from China, we need to get into our respective states. How do we go about this?
Definitely,
How do we go
I
about this?
certainly see a great opportunity out of this crisis, and our industry. Definitely, we can, under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable PM, we can certainly attract a lot of foreign investment. Many people would be ready to move from China now. And of course, Vietnam is there in the race, and I believe they are getting some chunk. But with our proactive approach, definitely we should be able to get the major chunk out of the companies who would be able to shift from China.
Okay.
I see a great opportunity out of this crisis.
So
for sure,
please,
for the
please,
country.
I'm trying to, all of you guys, while you're dealing with this, and I know it's not easy, spend some time in thinking in your districts, constituencies. You should be all trying to attract companies in from China to set up there. It'll generate employment, and that's the best way to hit them and teach them a lesson for what all they've done to us.
Certainly, yes. I totally agree with your viewpoint, and that is the endeavor of the government of India. I really believe in it, and definitely we will proceed in that direction.
Okay, appreciate your thoughts and joining us. So we'll check back with you in a few more days, sir, as this progresses.
Sure. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
And keep yourself safe and keep motivating your staff and people around you. So keep the morale levels up. Much more to be done.
Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.